Hello friends, welcome to Waves Learning Center. In this video, we learn how to install the Visual Studio IDE in Windows 7. The first step is to check if it is pre-installed in our system. All we have to do is search for Visual Studio. You can see the result is returning empty. We don't have Visual Studio installed. We can move on with the next step. The next step is to download the installation file. All we have to do is search for Visual Studio in Google and press the downloads link. It will take us to this page. There are 3 basic editions that you can download. We'll select the community version. Once the download is complete, let's start running the installation by clicking on it. Download seems to be complete. Once the download is complete, we are brought to this page. We have to select the workloads and the environments that we wish to work on. We need a basic desktop development workload to create applications for Universal Windows platform. We'll select this. We are selecting this for now. We need to work with web apps, so we are also selecting the web workload. You can change the installation drive. There are 2 options. One is to install while the download goes on, and one is to wait for all the download to complete and then install. I'm selecting the download all and then install option. Let's click on install. We'll wait for the downloads to complete. Let's wait for each of the packages to install. Once the installation is complete, the installer asks you to restart your computer. Click on restart to finish the installation. Once the installation is complete, all we have to do is start Visual Studio using the Windows Start key. You can directly click the Visual Studio icon or search Visual Studio. Visual Studio starts up. You can sign in with your Microsoft account. You can select the type of environment you need for development. There you go. We are ready to start development in Visual Studio.